Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the Audiodg.exe is experiencing high CPU usage on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. So go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select sound. So playback tab should be the default tab you're landed on here. If not, go ahead and select it, and then select your speaker output device, and then you want to select the properties button. And now you want to select enhancements, and check mark where it says disable all enhancements, and then you would select apply and OK. Close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot, best match, come back with troubleshoot settings, go ahead and open that up. Underneath options, select other troubleshooters, and then underneath most frequent playing audio, select the run button that corresponds to it. And then I'd recommend following along with any of the on-screen prompts here. So you saw it took us back to audio enhancements. Make sure it's still checkmarked to disable all enhancements, and then OK, and then next. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select close. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.